everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Conservative Coin Collector. And in midst of silver investing, I found another source of silver. It may not be a full 3 ounce, but they're 60% of the way there. They are old casino tokens. These casino tokens are from different places around Las Vegas. And if you take a look at them, they're not all silver, but the very center of it is 100% pure silver. And the rim of it, I think, is bronze. The outer ring is, in fact, brass. And this casino token says it's from 1946 from the Flamingo Hilton. Here's the Flamingo Hilton. Here's front and back of it, and it says 0.999% 5 silver, and a G right there. That would, it looks like where a mint mark would be, but I don't know what a mint mark would have been because it's a gaming token and not legal tender, and these are actually about on par with 3-ounce silver rounds. They're about the same size. This is 1 troy ounce of silver, and it's about, I want to say, about the size of an Ike dollar. So they are pretty large. I do have a multiple of the Flamingo Hilton one, Las Vegas, and this one should say 1940. This one says 1946. So this one is from the year afterwards, and they did use silver and casino tokens for a little while after the 1940s. When it comes to the standard run-of-the-mill casino token, silver was phased out of them when silver was phased out of American coins, and by the Coinage Act of 1965, they were all gone. But these are $10 casino tokens with pure silver in the center of them. They had silver in them until much later. They weren't entirely removed all at once, but in different stages. Throughout the years, to phase it out, this juicy, delicious silver center would get smaller and smaller and smaller until all clad casino tokens were introduced in 2009. So silver really only was taken out of these in the last 20 years. This was from a different hotel casino. Not all hotels have casinos in them, or casinos have hotels in them, but I guarantee you in Vegas there are 1,000 hotels / casinos. But it says limited edition $10 gaming token from O'Shea's. It's a lucky 4-leaf clover, so it's an Irish themed bar and casino. O'Shea's 0.99% 5 silver. And it says the limited gaming edition $10 gaming token in Las Vegas, Nevada. And O'Shea's in Las Vegas. I'm actually going to see if this casino is still around. O'Shea's is a pub in Vegas, and it is in fact still open. And it's open right now in Vegas. Apparently it has like a morning time it's open, and a either very late night or very early morning time it's open. Because Monday through Sunday it's open from 12 to 3 a.m. Oh, it's open 10 a.m. to 3 a.m. So 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. and 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. is what Google is doing. because 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. is a different day, but it's open from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. and 12 a.m. to 3 a.m., which means O'Shea's Pub is open Sunday through Sunday, 10 a.m. to 3 a.m. So it is pretty much an all-night place. The fourth casino token I have, let's turn it around to see if I can find where it's from. So it's Las Vegas. Welcome to Las Vegas, Nevada. It's a $10 gaming token from McCarran Slots. Looks like a couple airplanes. Las Vegas McCarran International Airport. There is a casino or a slot machine in the airport. It would make sense, being Vegas, there's probably a slot machine in every gas station toilet. But this is from an international airport that has a casino in it. I wouldn't be surprised if Vegas has a law mandating every single public building has a casino in it, or at least a couple slot machines, because it's how Vegas makes its money. Sin City. Those are my brand new to me casino tokens with the silver in the center of them. I have them because I invest in my silver, not because I like gambling or I'm a fan of any Vegas casinos. And I've only been to Vegas twice, but I was very little and I couldn't gamble or anything. I was like 2 the last time I went. But imagine the history and all the pockets it's been through, all the tobacco smoke and alcohol it's seen, and well, that's a lot of history, especially with big time people who have ties to the mob. Built casinos in Vegas once upon a time. I'm gonna put them in my silver storage and leave you with. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and hit the bell icon. And until next time, I'm signing off. So long, everybody.